Good morning, everybody. Okay, it's time for our phonics, and we are going to be learning a brand new sound today. But before we do that, I thought we best recap the sounds that we already know. Okay, are we ready? Air, R, O, I, E, U, A, O, A, O, Oi, I. We've already gone back through them. We were going so quick. Well done, everybody. Shall we do some green words? So see if you can thread in your head. When I push it out, shout it out. Let's go. Smile. S-M-I-L. Smile. Well done. Nice. Late. Oh, our A split diagraph. A, T. Late. Super work, guys. Make. White. This is our I split diagraph. Well done. Oh, upside down. Sh. R. P. Sharp. Well done, our R sound. Oh, this one's easy peasy. We'll get this one. Book. Well done, the up sound. Can we do this one? I'm sure this was your sound last time. Note. It's the O split diagraph, isn't it? N-O-T. Note. Wow. Give you a round of applause. That was amazing. Well done, you. Oh, we've got one more. Miss Cunningham's forgetting them. Let's go. Ready? In your head, please. Home. Oh, home. You are fabulous at these split diagraphs. Wowzer. That was brilliant. So we've recapped our sounds that we already know. We've done some green words. Wow. Super, super, super work. Okay. Is it time we wake Fred up? I think it's time we wake Fred up. He's just asleep on the table in front of me. Hello. So, Fred, are you awake? Nothing. Can you all shout good morning to Fred, please, after 3? 1, 2, 3. I think that will do it. Ready? Are you awake, Fred? Yes. Yes. Well done, guys. Okay, Fred, we have a brand new sound to do today. And again, it is a split diagraph. Now, I wonder if any of the children have seen it before. So I'm going to quickly show you first. Are you ready, Fred? Do you know it? Oh, Fred knows it. So I'm going to show you next. Do you know it? Have a little shout out if you know it. Don't worry if you don't. We'll be learning this one today. Did you say ooh? Huge brute. Wow. Now this is a split diagraph again. Now these are special friends, but they're so chatty. Chat, 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 chat. We have to split them up. We have to put another letter or sound in between, don't we? They're just too chatty. We can't leave them alone. So, my turn. Ooh, your turn. Ooh. Ooh. So, ooh. Huge brute. Look at him. He is a brute. Whoa. Okay, Fred. Do you think you can Fred talk for me? And I'll tell the children what you say. And we'll see if they can guess the sounds. See if they can blend them together. You ready? J, oo, June. Let's see. J, oo, June. Ready, Fred? brute. Miss Cunningham just gave you away. Did you get it before me? I was very quick then. Let's have a look. Brute. Now I won't be as quick this time. See if you can beat me. Go on, Fred. Rude. Well done. You beat me this time. Let's have a look. Rude. Now this one's a bit of a tricky one. I wonder if Fred can get it. So we've got Now that would say huge. So we have to tweak this one a little bit. This one is quite tricky, so it's huge. We do have to tweak it a little bit, okay? Well done, everybody. Let's see if we can get rid of Fred now. Off you go, Fred. Let's see if we can go quickly through our sounds. Are you ready? In your head this time. Remember, huge, we have to tweak a little bit. And it is a G, but on our speedy sounds, under the G section, under the J, it has a G. So it is the J sound, okay? Let's see if we can do it in our head. June. Brute. Rude. Final one. Ready? The tweaked one. Huge. Well done, everybody. That was brilliant. You were so speedy. Should we have one more time? One more go. See if we can get it even quicker. Ready then. June. Brute. Rude. Tweak this one. Huge. Easy peasy. Right. Pause this video and go and get yourself a pen and paper, please. Now, once you've got your pen and paper, I want you to practice writing your split diagraph for me, please. Now, remember, don't join them together. They are special friends, but we have to put something in between because they're so chatty. Let's go. So we need our O. We can put our little dash in between and then there's our split diagraph. So write that a few times if you can, please. Okay, when we're ready, let's go for our first sound. So hide your Fred fingers, I don't want to see them. I want you to sound out the word rude. Okay, in your head. Okay, I'm ready. 1, 2, 3. Reveal. Let's pinch those sounds. Are you ready with me? Let's go. Oo, d. Oo, d. Oo, d. Can you write that down? Quick. So I'm going to hide my back so you can't see what I'm writing. Oo, d. Have you got it? Tick or fix. So we've got oo, d. Oo, d. Give yourself a little tick if you've got it, please, or fix it if you don't quite have it. That's okay as well. Right, hide your Fred fingers. We've got time for one more, I think. Oh, this is a tricky one, but I know we can do it. Can you sound out brute? I'm ready. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow, well done. See if we can pinch the sounds. B, oo, t. B, oo, t. Brute. Right, write it down. I'm going to be quicker. Let's see, have a go. So, B, oo, t. Ready? Have we both got the same? So, B, oo, t. Amazing, everybody. Super work. Now, can you see how my oo sound has been split up by the t? They're too chatty. Right. Well done, everybody. See you soon. Bye.